I am definitely not in Puerto Rico with this temperature, 62 degrees. Hey everybody, good morning. It's a lovely day in Orlando, Florida, not in Puerto Rico. I told you guys in the last video that I uploaded that I was going to be around Central Florida during this first week of January. Today I'm driving the Tesla Model 3. It's my first time actually driving a Tesla on this trip, and I absolutely love it. Maybe, just maybe, I'll sell the Raptor and get myself a Tesla. I mean, I love it. This is amazing. This car has autopilot and all sorts of nice features. So the game plan today is Orlando Executive Airport over to San Juan, Puerto Rico on a private jet owned by the company that I fly for. So I'm not gonna tell you which jet it is just now. I'm gonna wait till you see it in a little bit, okay? Right now, currently I'm emptying the car. My wife is with me and my daughter too. They're gonna meet me at the airport, so I'll see you guys there at Shelter FBO. I think the feature that I like the most about this Tesla is that you can just get on the pedal and go. Look at this. Whoa! Super quick acceleration. I would say it has a lot more acceleration than the Pilatus on takeoff. That's for sure. But yeah, I love it. I've been getting comments left and right asking if I bought the car or not, and no, I didn't. This was actually rented through an app called Turo, which is kind of like an Airbnb for cars, where people post their cars on, and you can actually rent them wherever you are at. So enough of that, you know, getting a Nissan Versa or any other boring car from a rental company. Ride. They just landed. CJ3. Nice. Here it is. There's my man Omar. Alright, so here we are. Ready to go. This is one of the planes that the company flies. And we're gonna get a ride to it to San Juan, Puerto Rico from Shelter in Orlando. So we got on the plane and we're now on our way out, taxiing out of Shelter FBO. Next stop will be San Juan. There's my beautiful wife on the phone and my beautiful daughter on her tablet. We're taxiing out now. Cape Canaveral from here. There it is. That's Cape Canaveral. initial impression right off the bat. The CJ3 is actually pretty comfortable and spacious inside. I thought it was going to be a little bit more cramped. It was actually pretty good. Legroom is spot on. Cabin cools down really quick, so that's a plus compared to the Pilatus, which takes a little longer to cool down. The ride is super smooth. We've hit some bumps here and there, but it's been super smooth so far. And she seems to like it. She seems to like it too. She's playing by swapping those back and forth. We're currently climbing out of 35,000 feet, doing about 438 miles per hour over the ground, and estimating San Juan in 2 hours and 30 minutes. Yeah, this thing is quite fast. That's great. There's a lab area on the back of the CJ3, and so it's a lab, it's a potty, it's just like the Pilatus, and then you have some, I want to say storage, but I'm not totally sure if it's if you can use that for storage. However, that's your emergency exit right there. You have that one and the main cabin door on the front that will act as emergency. So just because we're flying over water, and it's quite a long distance, about 1,000 miles over water, we're carrying a life raft. I know we're in a multi-engine jet right now, so we're technically good if one engine fails, but worst case scenario, it's always good to carry a life raft whenever you're flying down the Caribbean. I know over water, basically. I don't want to try this out, like I've never wanted to try a life raft out, obviously, but we have it just for added safety. So it's currently after sunset already. The sun is way down now, and we're just getting the reminiscence of the twilight. One of the things that surprises me the most on this aircraft is just how quiet it is. You can almost whisper, and you can hear it from the other side of the plane. So I didn't expect this to be that quiet. Compared to the Pilatus, obviously the Pilatus is a turboprop. It's a lot louder, but this plane is really nice, really quiet. I like it. We just started our final descent into San Juan. It's getting pretty dark out there. We should be in the ground in about 25-40 minutes. And I'll see you guys on the ground, alright? See ya. And welcome to San Juan, Puerto Rico, everybody. Thank you, Omar.
You're welcome, man.
All right, guys, we just made it back to San Juan. Plane is amazing. I really liked it. Hopefully I can fly one of those one day. Anyway, guys, thanks for joining us. It's currently about 7:30 p.m. right now in San Juan, and I have to wake up super early because I'm flying at 6:45 in the morning tomorrow morning. So I'll see you guys next time, okay? Enjoy, like, and subscribe, okay? See ya.